1. Wow! This super-powered truck is ready for any adventure. 2. Look at this mighty truck, here to save the day. 3. This truck is on a heroic mission to deliver smiles. 4. Zooming into action. This superhero truck is unstoppable. 5. Get ready for some super fast deliveries with this speedy truck. 6. This truck has a heart of gold and a mission to help others. 7. With its powerful wheels, this truck is a true superhero on the road. 8. Watch out, villains! This truck is here to keep the city safe. 9. Bringing joy and happiness wherever it goes, this truck is a superhero in disguise. 10. Get ready for a supercharged adventure with this amazing truck. 11. This truck has a special power, delivering happiness to everyone it meets. 12. Flying through the streets, this superhero truck is always on time. 13. With its mighty engine, this truck is a force to be reckoned with. 14. This heroic truck is on a mission to save the day, one delivery at a time. 15. Look out, world! This truck is here to save the day with its super strength. 16. This truck is like a superhero, ready to lend a helping hand to those in need. 17. With its shiny armor, this truck is the guardian of the city. 18. Superhero trucks like this one make the world a better place. 19. This truck is the hero of the highway, making sure everyone stays safe. 20. Speeding through the streets, this truck is faster than a speeding bullet. 21. This superhero truck has a heart full of kindness and a tank full of courage. 22. With its special abilities, this truck is a true champion of the road. 23. This truck's superpower, making every delivery an adventure. 24. Up, up and away. This truck can soar through the sky with ease. 25. Ready to tackle any obstacle, this truck is a true superhero of the road. 26. With its powerful engine, this truck is always one step ahead. 27. This truck has the strength of a superhero and the heart of a champion. 28. 28. Watch out, villains! This truck is here to save the day and deliver goods. 29. This truck is a real-life superhero, making the world a better place. 30. With its lightning-fast speed, this truck is the hero of the highway. 31. This truck is like a superhero, bringing joy and laughter wherever it goes. 32. With its colorful design, this truck is a superhero that brightens up the day. 33. This truck is a true hero, ready to tackle any challenge on the road. 34. The superhero truck is on a mission to deliver happiness to everyone. 35. This truck is a guardian angel, protecting the city from harm. 36. Zooming through the streets, this truck is a true speedster. 37. This truck is a superhero in disguise, always ready to lend a helping hand. 38. With its powerful roar, this truck is the king of the road. 39. This truck is a superhero with a heart of gold and wheels of steel. 40. Watch out, bad guys! This truck is here to save the day and make deliveries. 41. This truck is like a superhero, spreading joy and smiles wherever it goes. 42. With its incredible strength, this truck can handle any heavy load. 43. This truck is a real-life superhero, making the world a brighter place. 44. With its friendly smile, this superhero truck brings happiness to all it encounters. 45. This truck is a true superhero, carrying dreams and possibilities on its powerful wheels.